everyone, so today I'm doing a very exciting video. Some of you guys really like when I say today we're doing a very exciting video, my intro thing, and then some of you guys really hate it. So I'm trying to change it up once in a while, but we're gonna have to put up with it because it's a habit, it's an addiction. I've been doing it since before time, so. Anyways, okay. So as you guys saw from the title, we are going to be doing our full face of makeup using Fashion Nova makeup. I'm excited, okay, because as you guys probably know, Fashion Nova is not known for having makeup products. It's an online, mainly clothing brand. They have shoes, accessories, all that kind of stuff. And I was shopping on there the other day and I slipped into the beauty section and I was like, they have makeup. So I thought it would be a fun idea to do a full face one brand using Fashion Nova makeup. And it's basically makeup I bought off Fashion Nova because none of it is under the Fashion Nova brand name. There is stuff from Profusion, stuff from Beauty Creations, which actually is also sold on Hush. It's got some eyelashes from Blinkwa. I'm saying that wrong. So it's all over the place, but it can all be purchased off of Fashion Nova. So I thought this would be a fun video. Hopefully you guys think so too. So there were a few products that Fashion Nova wasn't selling, for instance, setting powder and also mascara. So I'm gonna be mixing in a few of my own items, but the majority of the products will be off of the Fashion Nova website. I think this video is going to be lots of fun. Let's get into it. Okay, so starting off on a weak note, they actually didn't have eyebrow products, but I got this Precision Eyes 6 Precision Point Gel Eyeliner set from Profusion, and it looks like there is this little brown eyeliner in here that I think would probably work. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So they have a bunch of different colors. There's creamy beige, rose gold, what is this? Gold, and dark brown and black. So I'm gonna take the dark brown and we'll see what it can do. We'll see if we can make these eyebrows good with this. I've yet to even open this stuff up, so let's see. Okay, so it's just this really thin, pointed little crayon pen. I'm nervous. It says it's a waterproof gel eyeliner. So is this supposed to mimic like a pot gel eyeliner? We'll see. All right, it's working pretty good. It's not a bad color. It's really super creamy, so I'm using a really light hand because it's like very easy gliding. Okay, this is my more difficult eyebrow and it's going on a little bit patchy. Just because I have hair seriously going every which way on this eyebrow. I don't know why. It's so untamable. Okay, so there are the eyebrows after quite a long time of sculpting them. Definitely not this first use. It's clearly an eyeliner, but I actually think we made it work. My eyebrows are a little bit darker than I usually would make them, but it's not bad. Now I want to define them with some concealer. So I have this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. I actually have two of these now because I bought one off Hush and also from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna put that under there, clean up on the sides. Now I'm just gonna blend that in with this little brush. And then I always brush through here with the concealer just because I don't like my eyebrows to be too harsh in the fronts. This concealer isn't too bad. I would say it's like medium to light, more medium. Not full though. Okay, here are the brows. This is what we have to work with, okay? So now sadly the Fashion Nova website didn't have foundation. I know, I'm mad. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani and NYX foundations. I'm just gonna mix those and apply those off camera. Okay, there we go. So now I match my neck a little bit more. If you guys didn't notice, I have been fake tanning a little bit on my body, but I don't as much on my face. So sometimes my face is a lot lighter, but after I put on foundation, it usually is a little better. Hopefully it's better. So now we're gonna go into the same concealer that we used to carve out our brows to conceal our face. And then I have the exact same one, but in a darker skin tone so we can carve out our cheekbones. But first we'll conceal. This is gonna be quite a bit lighter than our foundation, so it'll be a good like highlight type thing. So I just put it all over my face on places I wanted to highlight and also under my eyes for a little bit more coverage. So as you guys can see, this is like gonna be a contour color for me. I actually really like the shade of this. I'm just gonna sculpt out my cheekbones a little bit, blend it in. I'm gonna blend as I go just to make sure that it doesn't like harden up. In the tube it looked more cool, and then on my face it looks more warm, so it is a color shifting concealer. Just kidding, it's not. That is pretty orange now that I have it on my skin. I don't know how in love with that I am, but okay. Okay, so that concealer is a little bit orange on me, but we're gonna make it work. I think after we add some of the contours from this little booklet, we'll do a little bit better. Now I'm just gonna quickly set everything off camera. Okay, so while I have my setting powder baking on my face, I'm gonna show you guys the next book that I have. I call them books because they're all like little sets. This is the Blush and Bronzer Profusion little booklet, and inside it's got like these makeup brushes right here and a mirror. And also it's got all these blushes, so it's got 4 blushes, all really different colors than the next, 2 contours or bronzers that look pretty cool toned, which I like, and then 2 highlights that actually look really great too. So I'm gonna use a lot of this stuff. Why can't I get them out? Wait, what? Am I being dumb? Okay, so here are the brushes that came in the set. We have this little angled brush. They feel a little bit cheap and plasticky, but that's okay. And then a small shader brush, and then kind of a big angled shader brush. So I'll definitely use these. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Oh wow, it's really, really pigmented. I'm not very good at using blush. Everyone's like, blush is so easy to apply, and then I just like, for some reason, can't. Like if I'm gonna wear blush, I'm gonna wear a lot. This was a good brush for that, but now I'm going to take my big brush because I want to contour. So I'm gonna use the lighter color, or bronze. Why do I keep calling it contour? I have such a warm tone on, and now I'm putting a cool tone over top. I wish it wasn't so orange up here. It's kind of distracting me. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face with water. This is the NYX Dewy Finish, but there's just water in it, so. Okay, so the highlight now that we're gonna use is going to be this bottom lighter one. Ooh, that is so pretty. I really like this color. It's like a champagne tone. Then I wanna boop it on my nose. Boop. I actually think this palette was really, really good. All the colors were nice and pigmented. They were a little powdery, but not too bad actually, and I think it looks pretty decent. Okay, so now that our face is complete, we are going to move into eyes, and for eyeshadow, I have the Beauty Creations 35 Color Pro palette, and it's the Bella palette, I don't know, but it says Bella on it. So here is this palette. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for one of the Morphe ones. Oh wait, whoa, there's a loose shadow. Okay, there we go. The only issue I'm seeing is all of them are shimmery. Every single one is shimmery. There's not one that is matte. So I'm going to go into this bronzer blush palette and take this shade just to do my crease a little bit before I get started. I just want to deepen up my crease and create a color that will glide these colors together a little bit better. So now I'm going to go in with these 2 brushes that I got in the palette, and first things first, I think I'm just going to put this nice white champagne all over my eye. Let's see how this works. Oh wow! Sometimes when I'm using these books with a lot of colors, I forget which one I used, and then I end up with 2 different colors on my eyes because I forget which one I'm like using, and then I'll just use a different one. Burgundy color with the large angled brush, and I'm just gonna try and deepen out the outer V. Oh, what? Where are you, color payoff? The color payoff for these shadows are not the bomb diggity. The bomb diggity. I don't know the last time I said that, but there it is. It's out there. Doesn't even look like anything's coming off onto the brush. All right, I'm going to wet my brush with some water just to get a little more frosty look in the front. Woo! Wetting that made that so pretty. I'm going to take just a little brush like this and just to drag it on the lower lash line. First, I'm going to take the matte from that palette and drag it. The color payoff wasn't that great, I'm not gonna lie, so that's too bad. I definitely think I still will use this palette in the future time, just not one look with only this. I definitely need more mattes. So we're gonna go back to our Precise Eyes palette right here, and first things first, I'm going to take this creamy beige and put it in my waterline. Then I'm going to take the black and smudge it on my top lashes. All right, let's try it. It's kind of like an iridescent, shiny white, which is weird. It's like almost everything from Fashion Nova, it has to be sparkly. There we go, that's in my waterline. It is kind of like a shimmery. Ah! Everything's happening at once. Try and smudge this. I'm not trying to get a wing or anything. I just want to smudge it on my top lash line. Feels really weird to not give myself a wing at all. I always give myself a wing, but I'm trying to do different makeup looks in these videos, so I'm gonna just withhold from winging. Okay, so now I'm super excited. I'm gonna apply my own mascara, but after that, I'm going to apply these Blinkwa Dazzle Your Eyes 100% Premium Human Hair. It always weirds me out a little bit. They look like this. They are really super pretty. They're fluttery. It's kind of how I like them to go from small to big so that they go like, whoo. Let's see. I'm just going to set them. Oh, whoa! I might not even have to cut them. Okay, so there are those eyelashes on. I see a little bit of a gap between it, so I'm just gonna take this black eyeliner and put it in my tight line. I'm out of breath. The application was extremely hard because I'm trying to get glue out of a 3-week-old one of these. Okay, so the look is almost complete. The last thing that we have to do is lipstick, and for that I have this LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss, and this is in the shade Pink. Ooh, it's a nice dusty rose pink. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's like my lip color. Okay guys, so here is the finished makeup look. Oh, I just put my hand in my lip swatch. I think it was a lot of fun to use some of these makeup products off of Fashion Nova. I don't know why, I was just really curious what you could get for makeup off of Fashion Nova, and I guess this is it, and not a bad makeup look. Still think that this is a little bit orange for me. I love the highlight, love the lip color. These lashes are actually bomb. Altogether, not bad. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see another video of my one brand makeup tutorials, request which brand down below, and if you want to keep watching videos like this, I'll put the playlist right here or right here. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!